Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Thinking of buying the best wireless earphone? Well, do not worry, this video will help you find one. Before that, please support my channel. Like, share, subscribe and comment your thoughts below. First earphone in the list is Oppo Enco W11 True Wireless Earphone, which costs Rs 1825. It gives 20 hours of music playback time with its charging case supported by 40 mAh headphone and 400 mAh charging case, battery Type-C charging, compatible with all Android phones, noise reduction during calls, Bluetooth 5.0 provide binaural simultaneous Bluetooth transmission with stable connection. Well, the second in the list is Realme Buds Q In-Ear True Wireless Earbuds, which cost Rs 1925. 400 mAh battery providing talk time of 3 hours and standby time of 50 hours, 20-hour total playback, 10 mm dynamic bass boost driver, intelligent touch controls. Third earbud is Boat AirDops 441 TWS, which costs Rs 1999. This AirDops 441 offers a playback time of up to 5 hours in earbuds and 25 hours in charging case, and earbuds get charged to 100% in just 1.5 hours. It has Bluetooth 5.0 with a range of 10 m and is compatible with Android and iOS. It has an IPX7 marked water and sweat resistance, sports friendly design with touch controls. Number 4 is Redmi Earbuds S, which cost Rs 1720. This earbud has long-lasting battery life of up to 4 hours with a single charge and total of 12 hours with a charging case to give you the best music experience. Extremely sleek and stylish design that you can carry around seamlessly in your pockets and bags. Super lightweight earbuds that are just 4.1 grams and IPX4 sweat and splash proof. Fifth earbud is Noise Shot's Nuvo wireless earbud, which costs Rs 1999. 10 minutes charge provides you with 80 minutes of music. Shorts Nuvo comes with 32 hours of total playtime with the charging case. Shorts Nuvo has Bluetooth version 5.0 with a range of 10 meters and compatible with Android phones and iOS phones. More than 300 hours operation time from 1A battery. Shorts Nuvo has IPX4 rating offering protection from water, sweat and dust. Well, the next earbud is Bolt Audio Airbase, which costs Rs 1799. This earbud offers playback time of up to 7.5 hours for every charge. Designed with latest Bluetooth 5.0, the wireless earbuds own fast and stable transmission without tangling. It's waterproof for 1 meter deep for 30 minutes, and these truly wireless earbuds can block out most of surrounding noises. And the last but certainly not the least is Petron BassBuds Pro earbuds, which cost Rs 1199. Features advanced Bluetooth 5.1, flat smart touch control surface, deep bass, low latency streaming and built-in ceramic mic in each earbud for stereo phone calls. Lightweight 4 gram each bud, passive noise cancellation, 3 hours talk and 4 hours playback time, touch and active voice assistant, IPX4 sweat splash resistant. Please find all the products link in the description below. And if you like this video, please subscribe, like, share, comment your thoughts. Thank you so much for watching.